Come here, rude boy, boy, you should big enough. Take it, yeah, baby, baby, yeah, take it, stop it. Tonight I'ma let you be the captain.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be making these little cabbage wedges. I cut them into fours. These are the ingredients I'll be using. First, what I'm going to do is be sauteing them. They're kind of like a garlic, creamy Parmesan taste. I just kind of saw a random video on Instagram and just kind of just did my own thing with it. So they actually turned out really good, even though they didn't look all that appetizing. So first, I got some onions and garlic in the pan with some butter, and then I put those bad boys in there and sauteed them. Sorry because it's getting soggy. But this is it when it was done. I also put it in the oven for like 20 minutes on like 400, but I know it doesn't look all that appetizing, but they actually came out super delicious. So it's a good little, quick little try, good quick little meal. Hope you enjoy. Bye.